Hi Steve, another good performance, and it was really controlled and professional, top of the league.
Yeah, I think I've got to give credit to the players. The weekend we've had, is, I've said it numerous times, is from the commitment and the hard graft that we've put in. I thought we fully deserved it again today. I thought we were a little bit leggy, a little bit lethargic at times, but I think that's due to the hard work we put in on Friday night. Although we controlled the game again, probably they caused a few problems on the transition.
Yeah.
But apart from that, we were always in control. I thought Sam Hart today was.
He fitted in really well. Yeah.
Very good, to not play, to carry an injury and then to play nearly 90 minutes on Friday and then 90 minutes today is testament to him and his commitment. But that's said for all the group. The hard work and commitment has been first class.
Yeah. Across the squad, we've got a really strong squad now, and when somebody does come into the team, they always play really well.
Yeah, well, they get given a chance, and it's that healthy competition for places. As a footballer, you want to be pushed, and at the moment we've got players that are pushing each other, which is good. But going just back to today, I thought we were first class again. I thought we controlled it, and the goals again were a testament to the patterns of play and the work ethic, and
they came at decent times today as well, didn't they?
Yeah, I thought we deserved it. We fully deserved it.
So we've got a bit of a break now, and then it's Chirk next.
No, it's Druids next Tuesday.
That's it.
So we've got a week's break. We'll be in on Wednesday to recover.
Okay.
And then assess how the lads are, and then we'll give them a little bit of a break, and then we'll be in again before the Druids game, and then we'll go away from home and look to put up a positive performance and get a positive result again.
Okay, top of the league, congratulations, and well done.
Cheers, Dilk.